welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Alicia and this is Alicia's House and Lifestyle. So this is the other side of my channel where I'm going to be doing interior design projects, DIYs, all that good stuff. So right now in this video, I'm going to take you through the house that me and my family acquired that we're renovating from top to bottom. So we're going to be doing ground level and then upstairs, bathroom, bedrooms and everything. So I'm going to take you through that. You can see the before, the afters, how far we've come, because it is an older house. So there's a lot of like old molding and a lot of stuff that's, you know, from the 70s and 80s. So we'll take you through that. You'll see the before and afters and the type of things that I am drawn more to and just my overall design aesthetic. So stay tuned. This is the type of content that you like to see, and I'll take you through that. You'll see the before and afters and the reveal in the end. So stay tuned. Thanks.
So this is the front of the house, just giving you a look at the facade, and we will be doing some upgrades to this, but it won't be until the interior is all done and yeah. So when we're done the interior of the house, we are going to be coming out and working on the exterior, but that will be like within probably the next year, and yeah, be the backyard as well. So it's a decent amount of space, so within the next year we'll come out and work on the backyard. Okay, so now I'll take you inside and we'll see exactly what we got going on here in this older home. So this would be the foyer. It's a little, you know, kind of closed off. It's not that big of an aisleway. So the plan here is to take out all the walls here.
So this is the front entryway. It is a little narrow, so our plan is to open it all the way up, get rid of these walls here, leading straight into the living room area, and then dining and kitchen as well. So it's going to just be all the way opened up, but these are load-bearing walls, so we already spoke with our structural engineer, and the plan is to put in wood beams extending straight from the front of the house to the back, and then there'll be two other ones just in the back area as well, holding up the full load of the house, so that we're able to take these walls out. So
the door failed to lock. Please make sure it's closed and the deadbolt has not blocked.
hello.
So this is the living room area. We have a big window here on the right side, and then it carries and continues into the dining room area. So this wall that's separating the two spaces is coming out as well. It's a pretty big space. So dining, window there as well. That wall behind is coming out, leading into the kitchen. So now we enter the kitchen area. So that back wall is also coming out. A lot of walls coming down. So it's a big space. Window by the sink. Gonna be able to get in a lot of cabinetry and an island. So in the back space, we're gonna be able to put a banquette. So like smaller table, bench seating, and a couple of chairs for dining. And then on the side will be closet, laundry area, so stackables on the side, which will be integrated into the cabinetry. And then the back wall then will all be cabinetry and the fridge as well. So we have a large window in this back area as well, so that's where the banquette will be. And then we have our back door, and then like I said, closet area in this space as well. So we're gonna change the stair treads and risers, and then the banister as well. The stairs will probably just be, at least the risers are gonna be painted. We're not sure what we're gonna do with the treads, but trying to keep it cost effective, so we'll see what happens there. So the first room we have coming up the stairs is the washroom. It's a really old, really old washroom. Yeah, so it has like wallpaper still up, but yeah. Small window, so we're gonna get that frosted. It's pretty tight in here, but I'm hoping to, with my plan, put a standalone tub in. So a soaker tub on a smaller scale. We're gonna see if that'll work out. We'll end up probably taking some square footage from this room a little bit, just to push it back a bit to fit that in there. But yeah, it's a small washroom to work with, but my design plan is gonna still have it looking immaculate. So this is the first bedroom from the stairs. We have a small window here. We might change out into a bigger window. We have plaster on the ceilings that we're gonna try to get rid of as well. So it's a decent sized room. Not a lot of work is gonna have to be done in here, but of course, like baseboards, trims, the doors, gotta remove that molding and everything. Small closet, but it is a workable space, especially for like a children's bedroom. Just reconfigure it and make a custom closet and we're good to go there. And down the hall we have the second bedroom here. Decent size as well, about the same size window. So again, we're gonna change the window, change the framing, baseboards and all that. The closet in this room is a little smaller than the first bedroom. But again, for a kid's bedroom, it's workable. Then continuing down the hall, we have at the end, the main bedroom. So this primary bedroom is a decent size. Has some old wallpaper that needs to come down. Again, plaster on the ceilings. A decent sized window, but the awning on the outside will have to come down. And then we have a decent sized closet space. So with custom closets, we'll be able to make good use of this closet area. So that was a quick overview of the house and the plans that we have upcoming. Next, we have demo day. So stay tuned for upcoming video. We have Kai doing demolition and myself as well, but stay tuned and we will have full demo day and everything coming up.